Hi guys, welcome to Live with Vi, and if you like what you see, subscribe. Hi guys, happy Monday and welcome to Live with Vi. I am super excited for today's live. I honestly don't know what we're gonna do, what we're gonna talk about, but I know we're gonna talk about the day that is today, that is 21/12/2020. I've been talking about what today is all day on my Instagram posts. I've got so many messages from you guys. They've convinced their husbands, their mother-in-laws, their people who don't even know what this is about to come online. I'm so thrilled. I've convinced my parents. Thank you, Divya. I got my top. I told my tiger, I said, I need a new top for my live. I have to wear a personalized top. So I got this thing. It just came like 10 minutes ago. I convinced my parents to come on live. I hope they do. But we're hoping it's going to be a magical night. The reason why I'm not saving this live is we want to kind of keep the energy here and then not dissipate it. If you understand what I'm saying, we want the energy of the collective consciousness to be live, and then dissipate it. So we're not gonna save this live. That's why I've come in 10 minutes early, because I want you guys to tell whoever you wanna tell to log in, because again, I will not be saving the IGTV on YouTube or on Instagram. I was actually trying to figure out how to come on live on YouTube and then broadcast Instagram on YouTube, but it was too much and then I don't want to lose the connection of Instagram, so I've not done that. But this is the only one I will not be uploading on IGTV or on YouTube. I don't know what to expect, but I hope you guys know at least some history or some. I'm so overwhelmed with these messages, but I hope you guys know what today is about and why it's important. So you guys know today is the longest night, right? Because it's the solstice, that is the 21st of December. But today is a huge day, because for the first time in 800 years, Jupiter and Saturn will align to form what they think is the Star of Bethlehem, or the Christmas star. The portals, if you guys know about portals, then the veil today is the thinnest. If you guys are reading more about what the spiritual significance is, we are going to get into the new earth frequency, the new earth era. We are entering the age of Aquarius. So, this conjunction has happened many times, but it's happened in the earth sign and not in the air sign. So guys, if you know a little bit about signs, earth sign is talking about material possessions, your root chakras, your financial needs, whereas your air signs is about collective consciousness, is about realizing the oneness, is about realizing we all are one drop of one higher source. You're seeing that. We're seeing that in 2020. Someone sent me this Time magazine image, and they've written 2020 and it's a big red cross on it. I'm going to talk about it, I think, in a couple of days, but all I want to say is don't diss the year that taught you so much. Don't diss the year that all you could do was survive, but you moved ahead. We went through that. You lived through the darkest night of your soul, and you came on the other side looking for answers, seeing how you could grow, seeing how you could heal yourself, seeing how you could contribute to yourself and others. It's proof itself here. I already have 97 people live and listening to something which I never thought I would discuss on a public platform in my wildest dreams. I keep talking about that, as to how it's such a important year. Be it your lessons, be it your blessings in 2020. It's one of the most significant years. We're moving to a completely new earth frequency. And this kind of gives you a decision to either hang back with your old ways, to stay in your lower frequency, or to use the earth's frequency to propel you into using the new frequency for your highest good and for the entire collective consciousness. I hope we all decide to do that, and I'm really looking forward to sharing this live with you guys. I'm waiting for Ashish to come on. I'm so excited. I was telling him today, I said, so many people have messaged me that if you don't make me fly on this Instagram live, they will be like, "Arey, what is the magic in this?" But honestly, this is the year that will teach you to magic. This is the year that's already taught you uh, how you can change things around. So don't cross out this year. Don't. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Very good. How are you?
Good, good. Can
I
you
was
hear
telling
me?
them that I was telling Ashi that I was telling.
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
You can hear me? I was telling them that I have messaged you that you don't make me fly on this live. They'll be like, what's the magic?
No, no, we can't make people fly unless they want to fly.
I'm already flying. I told you that.
Cool, cool. So, how's everybody? Okay, so we have quite a lot of people already there.
Already.
So,
But we'll wait till
so
7:30.
yeah, yeah, of course.
My
And
husband
like
is
to,
on, my son is on, my parents are
okay.
coming on, my
Hi,
in-laws are
husband.
coming
Hi,
on.
son.
People have who don't have Instagram accounts have made Instagram accounts to come on.
Yeah, a lot of people ask me, how to get on, and can you send me the link? So I have no idea how to send the link. I said, get in touch with Vaibhavi. She does all the magic there.
So the thing was, I actually wanted to broadcast this on YouTube, so people didn't
Yeah.
need an Instagram account. I
Hmm.
tried to do it, but then the network kept dropping.
Okay.
So I didn't want to take a chance and not have it broadcast on either, because we're not
Correct,
saving
correct,
this, right? We're not saving this. You
correct.
can
A
say
lot of
hello to the
people.
number of people that have come in. I've
Hi,
got tons of messages, so
Misty.
I can't imagine your
Sejal,
inbox.
hi. Reshma, hi. Preeti, hi. Okay, everybody, hi. Because I'll just lose the content only. I'll just keep saying hi, hi to everybody.
So
Okay,
how are you?
good, good, very good. Yeah, and it's been amazing. And I quickly want to say this, I hope people can, because sometimes some people say the video is, hanging. I hope it doesn't happen today because, anyways, the
I hope,
frequency is so high. Hmm.
but I can't hear
So,
you clearly. Guys, can you hear him clearly? Can you come
this
closer
is
to?
This is my AirPods, I
Okay.
think, so okay, you
I
know
don't want
what?
to
Let
put
me
on my
try. Should I?
AirPods because last time the sound lag was happening because of the AirPods.
So should I do that? Okay, let me try
I
it out.
try it.
Give me a moment. Can you hear me better?
This is much better, guys. I can hear you much better this way.
Yeah. I also feel
Yeah,
so much better.
that's exactly why I
I
don't
can.
block any frequency from anywhere. I was like, I have everything is.
Don't worry, the frequency will find the right hole. And we have millions on our body, so don't worry. Don't get naughty. Every pore of our body is going to absorb the frequency, so don't worry.
Absolutely. Okay,
Awesome.
so
So
you're
people
clear.
are
We're
saying, okay.
7:30. We're good to go.
People are saying yes, it's better and all. Just give me a
Yes,
minute. I'm going to also switch on my other AC because it just gets too hot for me in
I
some
know.
time. Just
I've
a
done
minute, yeah.
both. Uh, guys, the earlier was better with the AirPods, or this is better?
No, no. Everybody's saying this is better, so I'm going to go with this.
Now they're saying pod is better.
Don't confuse me. AirPods better. AirPods better. So what should I go back on AirPods quickly? Tell me. We are at
I guess.
7:31.
Okay.
Yeah, because I'm
Let's.
I'm sure my voice will echo because it's a big hall that I'm sitting
Okay,
in,
so
and
take the
obviously
AirPods.
the echo would be there. So I guess yeah. No
Okay,
AirPods.
guys.
AirPods. This is good.
7:31. We're good to go.
Okay, so all those who requested for AirPods, I'm back. Okay.
Okay.
You know what? See, I always keep telling you, it's so difficult to please everybody. Yeah.
Obviously.
There are
You gotta
half of
please
them say,
yourself.
oh, no AirPod. And half of them are like, no, AirPods is good. So I'm so confused. So I'm going to go with the AirPods. I'm sorry. All
Go
right.
ahead.
Okay, so everybody excited for today. You have no idea how excited I am. And Vaibhavi, it's a funniest things that we never plan things. Yeah.
Never.
In our last live, you told me, okay, please have something before the New Year's. Okay. So when we finished the last live, and so many people kept sending me testimonials of how the healing took place and all, I said, okay, I would like to do something for them. And immediately I told you, okay, does 21st Monday work for you? Because that was only Monday free, because my classes starts from Wednesday till Sunday, and then there's no Monday, then it's New Year's. So,
Correct.
and I had absolutely at that point of time no idea that 21st is what. I mean, it was not there in my mind frame at that moment of time when we agreed for it. And you see what happens there. So I always believe there is no coincidence. Yeah. And people who are here right now on the live also, there is no coincidence. Why? Because
Correct.
we all are meant to be. Yeah. And it's amazing how things are shifting and changing. So yeah,
Absolutely.
I heard you saying few things before we started. So what was it that you were saying?
I was just talking about how, this Time Magazine, Time Magazine, right? They came out
Hmm.
with a new cover that
Hmm.
says 2020 with a big red cross on it.
Okay.
And I was just talking about how it is not that. How
Correct.
2020 has helped us change, turn our
Correct.
frequency, taken us to the deepest, darkest part of the soul and shown us a way out. And it's such a big
Correct.
change for even mankind as a collective consciousness and for each individual.
Correct.
So
Correct.
I was
And
talking about that and the significance of the conjunction today, and what energies we are working with and how we will continue working, because
correct.
we are entering the age of Aquarius.
Correct, correct. So everybody sees things differently. Yeah.
Correct.
So there's no right, there's no wrong or whatever it is, but you have to know what works for you. Okay.
Correct.
Like we go back in 2012, the 21st December of 2012, when there was a whole prediction which was made of end of the world. Yeah.
Correct.
People actually feared that there's going to be tsunami and earthquakes and we're all going to die. But we all know we are alive and nothing like that happened. But definitely there was a shift that started taking place from 2012. Yeah, my awakening started
Absolutely.
in 2012. Like even something like access consciousness came to me in 2012. There are other modalities that came in 2012, and things just started shifting and changing so much for me. It was like a boom. I started my journey in 2009, the whole spiritual journey, but 2012 just took me to a different leap, and from there was
Absolutely.
absolutely no looking back. Yeah. So the last 8 years there has been a lot of shifts and changes taking place, and now the time has come when it's like the maximum. So if you see 11/11, we did the whole alignment. Okay, so there is a lot of alignment, if we notice, happening during this year. Yeah. So and today's day is definitely one of the most significant when it comes to shifting and changing our consciousness, because this hasn't
Absolutely.
happened for more than 800 years. I mean,
Yes.
last time also when we were doing 11/11, remember we said that we are so lucky. We
To have the
are in
opportunities.
we are indeed
Absolutely.
very lucky for what we are going through, and people out there are doing a lot of hue and cry about corona, and and how bad it is and how terrible it is. But you people have to realize that all these things are happening to bring a shift within us, to bring a shift in our consciousness. Yeah, a lot of people, when you reflect back throughout the year, those people who have got into consciousness realize that corona actually gave them a huge insight. A lot of things changed for them. A lot of people started changing their whole life, of what they were living before and what they are living today. So this is a time for conscious change. This is a time for shift and change. And if you
Forget
understand
other
this,
people. Today, if I told you, when I met you, when you're sitting,
yeah.
supposing in your
Hmm.
center, and I told you that in 6 months we'll be talking about a spiritual shift with 440 people watching us live talk, would you have believed it? And we
No.
both have been on this path for many, many years. Would you have believed?
Yes.
I would not have.
No, and you know what? It's amazing when we talk like this and people are actually understanding what we're saying, because initially people wouldn't even understand and I wouldn't even talk about it. But today, yes, the world is talking about it, who understands it, and people are aligning to
Absolutely.
it. And I'm so grateful again, I say, to people like you who made this platform where we can help so many people, yeah, who had no idea about it, but because of your lives, I mean, so many people have started getting information and knowledge and awareness, and people's life is changing, and that is the most important
Absolutely.
thing. So this is what 2021 is going to be, which starts from today majorly. Yeah, so this
Yes.
whole big alignment that's taking place, the Jupiter and the Saturn, the alignment that's taking place, we are opening doorways to really, really those frequencies, the rays that are coming through is going to pass through each and every person, because we are on earth. It's going to pass through earth, and that is where
Right.
naturally there is going to be a higher vibration and shift and change. Now there are two ways of receiving it: one who receive it consciously, and one
Right.
who are just in it. Yeah, it's like you can actually be in the driver's seat or you can be in the passenger seat. Yeah, the
Correct.
driver knows where I have to go. The driver will sail through properly. The passengers did. So these are two kind of people who, so you have to categorize yourself. Are you going to be in the driver's seat or are you going to be in the passenger seat? Yeah. So this is a time where you have to take charge of everything in your life, and the frequencies are going to help you do that much easily, much better, because we are
Absolutely.
moving into a higher dimension. We are really, really moving into a higher dimension. So this is the time when we talk about, so those people who think we only have the earth, they talk about other things don't exist. Sorry to say, everything exists. Yeah, aliens exist, and because there are multi universes, there is multi dimension. Now the best part about it is, because the alignment is taking place, because the frequency of the earth is also shifting, we are getting closer and closer. The other dimension is getting closer. I've explained this earlier, and the veil which
Veil is
which kind of separates us and the other dimension is becoming so thin that we can actually work from the other realm. Yeah, we can take that to our advantage, and that itself is so amazing. We should be really, really happy and grateful that this is happening. Why? Because our life from here is only going to get better if we make that choice.
correct.
Yeah, for the last 8 years with Access and with other things, I've been only teaching people how to change your life and how to create a life full of ease. Now we have the whole universal support actually helping us do that.
That's
Yeah.
exactly what
So,
I said. That
hmm,
your journey becomes so much easier. It's like you're sitting on a train, the train suddenly becomes the fast train. So you have such a big
absolutely.
advantage.
Absolutely. I just finished the session. So I had back-to-back sessions today, and just an hour before this lady went, and I met her like 2 months back. And with the energies that she had come in August. And today when I saw her, her energies were so different, so much in alignment. And she's getting this whole aspect that yes, life is. And then we did the reading. It's all about spiritual growth. It's all about abundance. It's all about healing. And that is what 2021 is going to be. If you see, it's the
Correct.
number five. Five is about changes. There are going to be big positive changes in everybody's life. Now, there will be changes. Now, remember one thing: it could be for the worse or it could be for the best, right? Now, if you consciously work through, it's only going to
Yes.
get better and better. Yeah. Now, we all are living on the third dimension, correct? Okay. When people ask me what is the 3D, the third dimension, this is where we are actually operating out of lower frequency or higher frequencies, lower frequencies, which is basically fear, worry, stress. What I would normally say is the drama trauma of life. Yeah, most of us,
Anger,
are
greed.
caught.
Correct.
Yeah, relationship issues, financial worry, the
Drama,
the
trauma.
the greed of having more money, bigger houses, bigger name, fame, and all of that. That is what we call as the third dimension. Okay. But as we start releasing these energies, the way we think, and we start, letting go and all of those things, that's when we start vibrating at a higher frequency. So it's basically moving from the root chakra to your third eye and the seventh consciousness, which is
And
basically the
also
seventh
now
chakra.
we're entering the Aquarius age, which is again air and not earth, right? So the earth, which
Absolutely.
was binding us to the materialistic possession, financial thing,
Correct. So
it
it's
kind of
all
will
about
push
now
us.
the mind. Yeah,
Exactly.
it's all about the shift here. So mindset is going to be the key for you to actually see the difference in 2021. Yeah, a lot of people could keep thinking negatively about 2021 and still create a worse year than 19 or or 2020. Or if you change your mindset, it could probably be the best year of your
Best
life
year
so
of your
far,
life.
So it
Absolutely.
is, it's all upon you what you really want to create. Please understand that. Like people say, okay, God gave you this trouble and God is making you suffer. Now these are those very limited paradigms way of thinking you have to get out of. So understand that this is a time when you really, really need to change the way you think about yourself, about your life, and how consciously you can. So there are various ways of doing it. So now, if first thing is consciously, what you should do is you should embody these frequencies in your body. Because when you start embodying these frequencies which are coming by, yeah. Now people will ask, what is frequency and how do you see them? Come on, can you see radiations from your phone? You can still, right? There are the Wi-Fi is working right now. Can you see the Wi-Fi radiation? No, right? So there are these radiations, the gamma radiations and vibrations and frequencies which our eyes cannot see. Just because we cannot see it doesn't mean it's not there.
Not there.
Are you getting it? So all you need to do is with your intention, because intention is very, very important. Yeah. Energy follows intention. Yeah. So wherever your thought, the energy follows there. So even if you intentionally, start meditating for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and taking those frequencies, your life will start shifting and changing. Why are you there?
I'm there. I can hear you. You can hear me?
Okay, no,
See,
because you kind of blurred out on my screen, but yeah, that's okay
I
then.
can see you absolutely well. In fact, you won't believe it. I went for a walk on Saturday and I met someone, and she said, I've been watching your lives, but I don't understand all this, yeah, frequency and all that stuff. So I said, okay, fine. When you go into a place, sometimes you feel uncomfortable. She said, yeah, so many times I feel eerie. I said, what do you think that
Correct.
is? How do, my uh, okay, am I fine? They are saying I've frozen. No,
Yeah,
my
you're
network.
kind of looking blurry. Are you like gelling with the frequency right now? Are you
I'm
disappearing?
going. I'm in
Don't
5D.
don't disappear. Why? Not so soon. Tell me.
But you know what? I'm gonna. Is this better? I just changed to 4. Yeah. Okay. I just changed to 4G. I turned off my Wi-Fi.
Much
Okay.
better than earlier. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So there you go. Yeah.
I'm back to 3D.
Play around. 3D, 5D, 3D, 5D. That's what I keep doing all the time.
My
Yeah.
mom is
So,
online. My mom has come today on live to see this magic. She said, "I have to see
oh,
what you're gonna."
okay, mom, you really have a very, very beautiful child, and she's amazing. And she's not only beautiful outside, but she's beautiful from inside. So, congratulations to you for giving birth to such a divine child. I wonder how divine she is. I'm sure she is
Very
amazing. I've never
divine.
seen her though.
She's Mata ka Swaroop.
All right. So yeah, you were saying about yeah,
Frequencies
what?
and vibrations, and even though we don't feel them,
Correct.
it is there.
Yeah. So oh, my Rashi is here. Hi Rashi, and I'm
My
so
mom is saying
distracted
thanks.
today. So basically, you enter into a space and sometimes you just feel so light and amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
And sometimes you enter into a space and you just want to run away from there. We all understand vibrations. So please get that. Yeah. You understand vibrations, you feel it all the time. A mother feels the love for the child.
Yeah.
Yeah, as soon as you hold the child, you feel the love, but you cannot see it. You cannot really, decode it, but it all exists. So please understand what we're talking about is scientific, though sometimes science is a little slow in making things understand till they don't prove it. But, sometimes you have to go beyond your mind. That's when I keep telling people, if you want to see magic, go beyond your logic.
Yeah.
Because there is no logic in magic. And whatever I do, people ask me, how do I do it? I said, never ask me how I do it, just see the results, and that's the most important thing. So today we all have the chance of going there. I started my evolution started, I think, in 2012, as I'm saying, but it doesn't matter if you're starting even today. Yeah, because the leap is going to be very big, and yeah,
Crazy
it, it's
quantum.
it's going to be. I mean, you guys are getting all this on your platter. Yeah, there's
I agree.
so much information coming through right now, whether it's through YouTube, whether the books are available, whether there are courses there right now. And that is when I started my journey in spirituality, like there were hardly anybody who would talk about it.
And
Yeah,
people are now talking about it. If I went looking for it 8 years ago, saying, okay, I want to talk to people who can teach me how to communicate with people I'm seeing, they'll be like, 6 M night, go meet them. Things like that.
yeah,
Today,
correct,
people are
correct,
talking about it.
correct. Yeah, and I keep getting requests about, the angel courses and the shamanism. Why? Because they are now coming closer. They want
Yeah.
us to know about these things. They are out there to help us right now. So please understand, from today, your journey is going to be as you would like it to be. Yeah.
Correct.
If you want to have an easy life, if you want to have a wonderful life, you got to have those thought forms. You got to now start developing certain habits. Yeah, certain habits that's going to help you move towards either a life of success and ease and joy, or you're going to have more drama trauma in your life, because
Correct.
whatever emotions you have, it might just get heightened now. Yeah, so this is a time when there is a shift and change. A lot of people will notice in the next year there'll be changes in relationship. There will be people who will move out of their life, but these are the people who don't serve a purpose anymore. Because as you're shifting and changing, as your vibration is increasing more, people who are of the lower frequency and vibration, they'll just move out, and
I
you'll
think
not
the
even.
biggest learning of 2020 was finding your soul tribe. I know so
Absolutely.
many relationships that just fizzled out. I know so many people who became close. There
Correct.
was such a big change in people's lives in terms of finding your true self, who you align with as well. I think
Correct.
finding your soul tribe was one of the
Absolutely.
biggest things 2020 did.
Correct. Yeah. And I'm so excited because I'm telling you, everybody, a lot of people who kind of I knew, they were cribbing about how 2020 was bad for them and all. But I also know a lot of people who spoke such amazing things about 2020, the self introspection and all. So I'm saying that was just the beginning. But today it's like
Yes.
boom. And please get this, with the alignment, we also talking about the Star of David. Yeah, which was there,
Yes.
when Jesus Christ was born. Yeah, so basically we are talking about the same level of Christ consciousness that's coming through planet Earth. When Christ consciousness comes in, and for me, Christ, Buddha, Shiva,
Yeah.
all are the same consciousness. Krishna consciousness, they're same.
Absolutely.
It's our higher consciousness. So this is the time when we can actually step into the higher consciousness. Now, when I'm talking about spirituality, please understand this. I know there are men who are watching this live and all. Don't think I'm telling you to let go of your dreams of having a beautiful big house or a BMW or the luxuries. We're not talking about that. You can definitely own all the luxuries. You can definitely have all the luxuries, but you have to have it in a very spiritual manner where you don't have to really run behind these things. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to give up my luxury life for anything, but being the most spiritual person, that's not the desire that I have. Yeah.
Correct.
So the whole aspect is, when you start vibrating at a higher frequency, every desire that you have just comes to you like this. You don't have to chase. You don't have to run behind money. You don't have to run behind a car or a house. It
It
will
just
come to
manifests.
you. It just manifests. And
I
that is
agree.
what you have to learn in this 2021, that things are going to be so easy for you if you just are aligned. Alignment is very, very important. Now, how do you know you're aligned? How
I
do you
was
know
just going to
you're
come to the
aligned?
question.
When you're happy doing what you're doing, when your life seems that you're flowing. Like that day, I went for a dinner. And we were like few of us sitting there, and as we started talking about life purpose and alignment, and I said, this is what I was meant to do.
Yeah.
I mean,
I
there's
hear
no
you.
two ways. So when you're doing what you're meant to do, trust me, there is absolutely no struggle. It's not like you're going upstream. It's you're flowing beautifully and easy. So when I started my work in 2009, believe me, from that day till today, there was not a struggle to where is the client going to come from.
Come from.
It's like the universe just keeps sending you for what you are looking. The intention is very important. My intention has always been to contribute to people, to
Contribute.
change people's lives.
Oh God.
And when you have that kind of intention, the universe like, okay, here you go. And believe me, that's the reason people don't see me too much on, social media or all of that. Because trust me, I mean, I never thought I required to advertise myself or be there. But the only reason I'm choosing to do this is today I can actually tell people that this is the way.
Correct.
Yeah.
You won't
Today
believe when you're
from,
talking about contribute. My post, you know how you have memory and archive on Insta, right? And I'm very active on Insta, you know that.
yeah.
But it's so funny. On 31st December 2019, I said, make me a vessel so I can contribute to people. I didn't know what
Okay.
I was asking for. I don't know how this happened. And I can't believe it. 1 year later, you know the number of messages. We keep sending each other
Absolutely.
messages. It is insane, right? And
Yes.
I think I'm so, and it's like I said, now this, so my, Kunal's always is so, this root chakra dominant, right? Like, oh, but what is the financial gain? How does it help you
Sure.
professionally? And I was like, it is not getting messages like this in the morning that saying that I moved houses because of our live I heard with Dr. Ashish is insane.
Yeah. Sure, but there's no wrong in even asking for financials to show up. It's as simple as,
Absolutely.
but that's not what you're asking for. It's as simple as that. Like when I met you last week, you said that, Ashish, I have so much money, I don't need to create money, which is also fine. Right? So the whole thing is, but if you ask for money to show up, money will also show up.
Correct.
Yeah. So for you, the satisfaction that you're getting of what you're doing itself is money.
Yeah,
Correct. It's not
exactly.
the for that's the most important thing, that everything doesn't boil down. So everybody has a different thing. And when you spoke about your husband having the root chakra active, which is fine because there is a balance. Yeah. So everybody is right in their perspective. There is absolutely no wrongness in it. Yeah. But as a person shifts and changes, believe me, the balance is yes. Like I love money. I keep talking about in the money class and all of that, but that's never been my priority.
Yeah, I hear you
Years back,
completely.
never been.
I
Last
love
20,
my
25
luxury.
years.
I'm
Absolutely.
very spoiled when it comes to that. But
Correct.
you know what I'm
It's
saying,
not
right?
a,
From the first day
yeah,
I
it's
met you,
not
I
what
told you
you,
that.
absolutely. So it's not what you should work for. So everything becomes a byproduct. So so this beautiful lady who met me just my last appointment, and she's opened this beautiful store, and I see her. I get what she's doing is such a beautiful store where she wants to contribute her products to people,
Yeah.
and they are luxury items. But why not? So everything can be like a contribution. So this year is going to be a change where there will be a lot of connections people are going to develop. Yeah. Also owning your power. This is going to be a very,
How do you
very
do that?
very, very important year that's going to be where people are going to start owning the power, which is basically changing how they see themselves in a relationship, whether it's a relationship with money, whether it's a relationship with other people, and all of those things. And that's when you are going to start having a great relationship with your own self. So
Oh,
this is a very, very big time when people are going to move out from their victimhood.
okay.
Yeah,
But if they
victimhood
choose
of
to, right?
everything becomes a choice. I'm talking about people who are
Correct.
choosing it. So you're going
Right.
to get out of your victimhood of financial abuse. You're going to get out of your victimhood of relationship abuse and all of that. So a lot of changes will take place. I see a lot of people actually empowering themselves in whatever way it is, but the life is going to change there also. Yeah. So and that alignment is going to help them, which is basically the solar chakra is going to come into the balance. Yeah. A
Okay.
lot of people will also be healing their old traumas, their old stuff that they're holding on to.
Will it be tonight, starting tonight and
it
carrying forward?
starts from it starts from so please understand this. It's not only today that you're going to have the changes. Now somebody would ask that, can I feel the changes today? Maybe not. Yeah, some people are very like somebody asked me, why are you so serious today, Ashish? You have no idea how much I've been buzzing the whole day and doing sessions when you're at a very high vibration. Like right now, my feet are like like they are vibrators right now. So yeah, but with this topic, definitely, it's not a fun topic if you ask me. I'm really, really telling you we should be happy, we should be joyful, but it's I can't tell you how I want people to take this seriously. You know, I want people to understand this seriously, that we are entering into a fabulous time of your life.
And the thing is,
From
because
here,
Saturn and
you can
Jupiter both
actually,
assist us to do that, right?
correct. So
Saturn
from
as a
here, you can,
planet,
correct. And Jupiter as a planet is going to help
correct.
you really change your life. And believe me, it's not going to be only for the next year. It's going to be there for a few years, starting from today. So if you embody the change from today itself, you see what's going to happen. And we really require to go through this, because
I agree.
as Earth, people need to change their consciousness. There's so much of stuff that is required to change. And then, however, Earth will change, it will. You know, whether there's new pandemic, whether there's tsunamis or earthquakes, we don't know what's going to happen. But change is going to take place. But those who are vibrating at a higher level of consciousness will not get affected by it. But those people who are not changing are the ones who are going to get affected by it.
Y'all can't see me. You can see me, right?
Yeah, I can see very clearly.
Okay.
Are you getting it? So basically, if you've done your courses, I felt so much. Okay, I have done your courses. Yes, I mean, of course, that's why I do my courses, so people can see the difference. But yes, most important is you have to choose to do it to see the changes in your life. So whatever comes your way, you know, I think people should take the path of spirituality. Now, spirituality is not about giving up things.
Yeah.
Spirituality is not about idolizing. Spirituality is not about a religion. Spirituality is understanding that you are a spirit, and as a spirit, you actually are limiting yourself only to the body, but you are beyond the body. Yeah, I think if you understand the spirit concept of who you truly are, life becomes so much bigger than what you can see.
I
We,
agree.
you know, then what we see is really very small than what truly is there. Yeah, and that is where your vibrations can really go high. So I would highly recommend people, if you haven't seen, I had done one YouTube video which is called a Power of 100,
Power
the
of 100.
Ho'oponopono one. I still have people who meet me even recently, and she said, after I started watching the video, my life changed so much, because that's a spiritual practice I'm doing for the last 10 years.
Right.
Yeah, so you know, it's time to let go. So if you're still holding on to things, it's time to let go. So please, if I give you an analogy, like, you know, think like we are a balloon. Yeah, and the balloon is tied up with a lot of things. The balloon won't be able to fly. But as you start letting go of things that are holding on to, the balloon is going to keep going higher and higher. And that is what we are like. Yeah, if we let go of the hurt, we let go of the stuff that we are holding on to, the anger, the upset, and all of that, we are just going to become higher and higher. We are going to rise ourselves higher. And that is what our vibration should be. So this is
Absolutely.
the time, five number, change, let go of the guilt, let go of the stuff. So today when we are going to do the healing, I'm going to heal two aspects of people, is the regret and guilt. A lot of people are holding on to regrets and guilts, and if you can let go, because those are one of the emotions which actually there's no use holding on to them, but we
I
still hold
agree.
on. Yeah, like when we done the
It's
research,
the
I read
baggage
this
we
book,
carry, and it doesn't. It only affects us and doesn't affect anyone else. These two things
and
are.
lifetime, it's like, you know, so there was this research done that, you know, what were the last dying thoughts that people had.
Yeah. Yes.
95% people had regrets. I wish I
Regret.
wouldn't have
I
done
wish.
this, I wish I would
Yes.
have done. What's the point of carrying that? Yeah, so if you take this as one of your tasks, that I want to release all the regret, all the guilt that I have, that will happen. Believe me, from that itself, you will make your body a light body. It will
Light.
start becoming a light body. Now, the whole intention of this whole frequency is to embody the light body that you truly are. When you're a light body, you're basically in the higher vibrations of joy, happiness, and all of those things. And believe me, if you are joyful and happy, and you don't have this whole emotions of resentments and jealousies and all of those things, you're only going to thrive.
And the
Yeah,
thing is, the best part is even people around you. You're one
absolutely.
person changing their vibration, one person getting your frequency higher affects. It's a ripple effect of 1,000 people.
And
And
that
even if you
is
don't understand that logic, I'm sitting dancing, happy, singing at home. So is my son. So is my husband, little bit, but so is he.
listen, the fact that he's here today online is a ripple
Yeah.
effect. Yeah.
Shocked.
So don't expect him to start dancing like you right away. One day he will. But I mean, so that's the thing, that small little changes also I acknowledge. Yeah. And that's the most
One sec,
important
they're
thing.
saying they
And
can't see. No, I think it's one person's internet because I can see you clearly, I can hear you. Go ahead. Sorry.
okay, so that is the whole thing. So, the more you embody joy, the more you embody, and that's when you actually start seeing magic. Now,
Yeah, I
people
agree.
asked me, would everybody notice those changes? Those people who are stuck in the daily worry, drama, the financial issue, where would they even notice what's happening around them? Yeah. So even if
Yeah,
something nice is happening around them, they will not notice that because they are so entrapped in their trauma. Now, when you start waking up and when you start shifting and changing the way you think, that's when you'll actually see the beauty around you, right? Yeah. So this is
absolutely.
where you need to start taking certain things like how we shared last time, like gratitude. The first basic thing, if you start living your life in gratitude, you will be able to see the small things that you can be grateful for, and then you can talk about the big things that you can be grateful for. Yeah.
Correct.
So this gratitude is one of the ways where you can immediately shift your vibrations. If you live your life in gratitude, you start attracting things that you can be grateful for. And trust me,
Wow.
I'm always living my life in gratitude for everything. In fact, that day I was told that, how can you say thank you for everything, man? I'm like, I don't know. That's how I have trained myself. And it's just so natural for me to be grateful for everybody. Even if somebody
I
gets me a
agree.
glass of water at home, I'm like, thank you. You're like, isn't he your servant? He's supposed to do that. I said, no, I'm grateful he's doing that for me. So
I'm grateful I
every,
have someone who to do that for me. In right now times, that's what you
absolutely.
would say.
Absolutely. So that's the whole thing. So being in gratitude will change your frequency, will change. So there are many ways where
Totally.
an individual can pick up how you want to raise your frequency. There are many ways. Yeah.
So
Listening to
let's talk
music,
about at least
uplifting
one or two
yourself.
ways.
So one thing, as I just mentioned, is gratitude. Yeah. Second thing
Correct.
is, as I said, like the line that I love in Access, the mantra of Access. Start saying every day, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory.
Joy and glory.
Yeah, that line itself is such an awakening line. Every day, if you start your day with all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory, you end your day with it. That is how you're going to start creating.
My
See,
favorite and Devansh's favorite is you go to the window and sing, universe, show me magic.
absolutely. Now that's really taking to a different level. Universe, show me the magic. Who don't even believe in magic doesn't believe in universe. But at least start saying all of life comes to me with
Yes.
ease, joy, and glory, because that is what you want to see in your life, right? And believe me, that's when slowly you will start noticing magic. I like after we started doing the lives on angels and all of that, you have no idea, Vaibhavi, how every single day people are sending me
I have
pictures
idea.
and it's crazy. And I love the fact that, wow, even if this small little amount of people, could reach to tomorrow, it could be through them more and more will go, through them more and more will go.
You know
And I
my
feel so
mommy,
happy.
Kunal's mommy in the States.
Hmm.
She called me up last 2 weeks ago. Just I thought normal conversation. She said, I have to tell you this.
Hmm.
Her sister lives in Dubai, okay, who we
Okay.
call Masi. And she said, Masi called me up and said, you have to start watching these lives. I get up every day and say, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. She said, what are you talking about? Saying, just start doing it. She's like, what is the reason? No, you just start doing it. And she actually started doing it without watching our live, without even having a discussion with me. And she
Hmm.
said, I get up only feeling positive. I get up
Absolutely.
feeling my issues are handled. I get up feeling there's something else helping me,
Absolutely.
go through the day. And it's so true.
Absolutely. So basically, it's trading your mind. Believe me,
Yes.
success is a mindset. Being happy is a mindset. Unfortunately, living in this reality, we have trained ourselves to be unhappy. We have trained
Masi's
ourselves to be.
on. There she is.
Hi, Masi. We have trained ourselves to look into the difficulties. We have trained ourselves to think negative first. We've trained, and then we are habituated. I keep telling, we are
I think
humans
we'll
of
enjoy it.
habits.
We enjoy it saying, Arey
Then
yaar,
over
you know
a,
what happened? Arey yaar,
yeah.
this happened.
So yeah, so I think 2021 can be an
So is
absolute
mommy.
rocking year for people. Yeah. So that's when, remember I told you, like, I believe in the frequency. So,
Yes.
I always start my work on 3rd of January. I used to take only 3 clients and do a magical session for the whole year. So this time
You're
I'm
doing more this
planning a
time.
no, so this time I'm planning
Zoom?
a Zoom class, okay, which is just going to be for 2 hours with a very small minimum amount. And I'm going to teach everybody the steps that you can do to create a magical 2021. You just have to do it. It's as simple as that.
I
Like
agree.
I can give you the keys, but if you don't use it,
Oh,
how do you open the door? It's as simple as
correct.
that. I practice it. I see an amazing life. I get what I want like this. I ask for things, it shows up. It's easy. Yeah. So earning money is easy and everything is so easy, but you just have made your life so difficult. So we are at the right frequency at the right time. So just make use of it. So not only me, you will see other masters, other teachers, because trust me, for the awakening, there are so many people who are coming down on this planet. We're already there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so many old souls have come, as children, and this whole new age itself is basically to change for change. So your
The new
mindset
earth is
has to
here.
change.
The new earth is here in its karmic lessons,
Absolutely.
in its removing
So
our baggages. It's here for us.
you have to get out of the old thinking about karma and all of those things, because that just limits you so much. If you think that, oh, I have to suffer because this is my karma, how are you going to change that? Yeah, but
Correct.
everything can change, and it's just a choice you have to make. I feel sad when people get in touch with me and then they are crying about how difficult their life is and all, and then they don't choose to do anything about it. I'm like,
It is so
dude,
funny you're
every
saying
day.
this. Someone messaged me that, "Arey yaar, my 2020 was so tough. 20. So you're saying 2020 gonna be easier?" I said, "Did you choose to make 2020 tough? So if you chose to make 2021 tough, it will be tough. Your
Yeah.
point of views are so important."
Correct. So now here people will say, but how did I choose 2020 to be tough?
Yes,
The
same
whole thing
question
is,
she asked
eh,
me.
yeah, everything is an unconscious choice. That is what we
Correct.
are talking about. Consciousness and unconsciousness. Now, that is what it is about awakening. Becoming conscious is about awakening your own self. Now,
Correct.
awaken doesn't mean that, oh, I open my eyes and I'm awake. Yeah, like medically in the hospital, we used to say, "Arey, consciousness ho gaya, aa gaya." Yeah, but
I get
that's not
conscious.
consciousness. Yeah, consciousness is when you have self realizations of how you're only limiting things in your life, how you're only, not able to bring the shifts. Like that day, this client came with his wife, and the wife actually had a lot of stuff going on. And then I saw the husband also was going through a lot of things. And so then, his business is shut for the last 2 years and all of that, and they are actually struggling. They are only getting the money on some rent. So I asked
Correct.
him, don't you want to change that? So the answer that he told me, no, I'm okay. So he's like, I do meditations. I got my answer that this is how I'm going to suffer
I
for
have to
few
go.
years, and later I will be able to change it. I'm like, okay, if you've already
You've
decided that this
selected
is what
that.
you, so
Absolutely.
I didn't even try once to tell him, what, change it. It's his choice. So basically, get this. Everybody, whatever you're going through right now is a choice you're made unconsciously. And with conscious choice, a different choice, you can create a different reality. Again, I'm saying you don't have to suffer. Nobody's come here to suffer. So if somebody's told you that the more you suffer, the more you evolve, screw you. Don't don't listen to that crap, please. I know spiritual teachers who have told this to me. The more a soul suffers, the
Yes.
more highly you're going to be evolved. And I'm
I've
like,
heard
fuck,
people
I'm not
saying you
suffering,
are
I need
getting
to
corona
suffer.
because someone is going to help you, so you will get it. So I don't
No,
understand that.
no. So please, you don't have to choose suffering. You don't have to choose drama, trauma. You
But
don't have
how do
to
they
choose.
make a conscious choice? You know,
See this.
how do they decide that this is not what I want to do? How do they decide that?
Okay. So again, as I keep saying, there's no right or wrong. You have to see how's your life working for you. Okay.
Yes.
If you're happy, continue doing what you're doing. Now, I had this lady who's trust me, a real
Am I
bad
frozen? One
marriage.
sec, I can't hear you. Hello? I'm gonna
Yeah.
shift this. Can you hear me? Hello?
I love 20 expecting more super
Can
favorable
you?
and yeah. Yeah, I can hear you. I don't know about
Okay,
rest.
it was frozen completely. I turned off the Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Um, but what
Basically,
about
yeah.
the karma theory? A lot of people say that I have to suffer. It's my karma. It's my destiny. Oh, luck. You know, luck. It's Lakhilu. The astrologer told me.
See, I'll tell you what. I have only one answer for this. Okay. Anything that disempowers you is a lie, and
Yeah, I
anything that
agree.
empowers you is a truth. So if you hear an astrologer and he says you have to suffer for the next 7 years, if that is empowering for you, continue doing it. But if you feel disempowered, it's a bloody lie. And don't buy the lies of everybody. Because you know what? People are so superstitious. And I have one big issue with superstition. Yeah. They just blindly follow people. Duh, you have brains. Yeah, sometimes use that also. Yeah. So stop blindly following. Get your evidences. Yeah, that's most important. So you have to first take 100% accountability of what's going on in your life. 100%. Okay.
Right.
It's all because of me. If you're going to say it's because of karma, it's because you're just making an excuse not to change it. Simple. Okay. So I'm telling you, yes, there are like even for 21st of December, there is this astrologer who said how badly it's going to influence because Saturn is Shani and
Yes,
you're going to have more suffering. I'm like,
I
ye
was
to
just
aur
going to
ek
bring
aa
it
gaya.
up. It
Yeah,
is
I
the
said, ye aur
darkest
ek.
night
The
on
problem
earth.
is YouTube पे कोई भी कुछ भी बोल सकता है. And there are, of course, people who will watch everything that's there on YouTube and then they start,
Correct.
now this is where consciousness is about filtering what feels right to you. So please don't buy stuff that does not feel light, does not feel right to you. Yeah. If you listen to something and it feels heavy, now does suffering feel light or heavy? Come on.
Of course, heavy.
Suffering is so suffering is so heavy, right? So don't buy things that makes you feel heavy. It's a lie.
Right.
And like if I say this line, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Does it make you feel light or heavy?
Right.
It's light because it's true. Because life is supposed to be easy. Life is, you say this, oh, because of karma, I'm going to suffer for the next 20 years. Is it going to make you feel light or heavy?
Heavy
It's
as
heavy
hell.
because it's lie. So
But
this
a
is
lot
the
of people
only way.
thrive on that. A
That's
lot
your
of people.
choice. Listen, out there are people who want to make money out of your fears, and fear is the biggest thing that we buy.
Correct.
And especially our sorry, but India, there's so much of fear. That's why they keep running to astrologers. That's why they keep running to other people for them to tell how to create a life. I don't believe that those things. Trust me. Yes, astrology is a science, everything is a science, but everything is there to empower you, not to
But also
disempower
everything is
you.
free will and possibilities, right? I was just reading today that in
Exactly.
the new age there
So,
are so many infinite possibilities because it is going to
infinite
help you to make
possibilities.
absolutely
Correct. So if you listen to an astrologer, he's given you one perspective of your life, and this is how it's going to be. But if you make a different choice, there'll be a different possibility. You make another choice, there'll be
correct.
a different possibility. So please get this. The word is a choice. You always have a choice. Yeah. So today, when we are talking about this big shift happening, it is going to help you make choices. But if you don't choose, nothing is going to
Right.
work for you. It's going to be the way it's going to be. I keep saying, if you're going to keep doing things what you did in the past, the result is still going to be the same.
Same.
So if you want to change the outcome, you have to do
Change what
something
you do.
different.
Correct.
Yeah. So take this help of all these beings of light and this frequencies that is coming through to change your life, and this is the best time to change your life. I
I
mean,
agree.
really execute that choice. You always have a choice. Now you have to choose whether you want to suffer or you want to get out of the suffering. It's a choice. Everything is a choice. So I'm telling you, nobody has to suffer in life. You don't have to have everything. Even a disease is an unconscious choice you make. This
Correct.
is
Yes.
when you're
Yes.
not at ease. Simple. When you're not at ease with something, whether it's your financial relationship or and most of it is relationship that we have. And if you're not at ease with it, you're creating a dis-ease.
Correct.
Yeah. If you're always at ease, like me, I'm happy all the time. I look at what else can I do? What else can make me happy? And so why would I even create suffering? So people are like, how do you look so young? And they ask me, how come you don't have disease? I'm like, why the fuck should I have a disease? For one investment, I had to go through a medical thing. And that guy like, how come you have no blood pressure? How come you have no diabetes? How come? I'm like, why should I have all of these things? No, but for you and your age, you should have at least one of it. I said, thank you very much. Bye bye. You're talking to the wrong person. So please understand, yeah, it's all about this. So please take this healing light, heal yourself. You can heal yourself in various manner. A simple thing that I'm going to talk about is just when you wake up in the morning, yeah, just align to this frequency. The most important is when you wake up in the morning, don't wake up with a crib and cry. Oh, my body is aching. Oh, I have to go to work today. Then you're immediately out of alignment. Consciously for the next 21 day, it takes 21 day. What's your age? I'm never telling that. I'm 600
He
years
doesn't
old.
tell
Oh, I just
anyone.
okay. So basically, consciously, what I'm telling you is if you do something every day for 21 days, it becomes a habit.
Becomes a habit.
So
Yes. Your
start
pathways get
making
set.
so start creating habits for yourself. When you wake up in the morning, say something like, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Thank you, universe. I mean, how does it get better than this? Whatever it is for you. But every day do this. By the 22nd day, you'll actually start being that. You'll just wake up and you'll become happy. Yeah. Intentions when you go off to sleep, before going off to sleep, put an intention that tomorrow is going to be an amazing day. And thank you for however the day was today. Every intention that you do, you're putting a seed that for it to become your tomorrow.
Every
So with
intention
what that
carries a frequency, right? That
absolutely. So
goes up.
if
It's
you
like how you search on Google
correct,
looking for a phone.
absolutely, absolutely.
Every intention is that forwarding of the frequency to the
Correct.
universe, right?
So for right now, even if you do these two small little things, self, before you go off to sleep, put an intention that tomorrow is going to be an amazing day. Yeah. And universe, thank you for that. My angels, thank you for that. Yeah. And when you wake up in the morning, just say, whatever, all of life comes to me. Yeah. Universe, show me the magic. Start making habits. And then you see how naturally your whole day will start becoming
How
amazing.
can we use angels to help us with this?
So that's why you say you take their assistance and knowing that they're always there with you. Yeah. And that you will constantly see by the signs, whether
Yeah.
like this lady who met me, she's like, Ashish, I've been seeing 444 every time. I've been seeing this number. What do I do? I said, you don't have to do anything. You just have to thank for their presence. Like she was talking about finances. And I was just telling her because when I was seeing things changing for her, suddenly my phone was ringing. It was on silent, but unknown number, which was ended with 888. I said, see, here you are. The validation that
Abundance.
I'm telling you right now, that is how they just keep you. See, you know what? Because the frequency is so high from today, you are going to open up to signs and symbols everywhere. Now, if you
Right.
don't know how to recognize it, even if it's there on your face, you will not see it. It's as simple as that. Yeah. So as you start becoming more aware, you start seeing that, then it just makes you feel so much lighter and easier and
Correct.
nicer that the naturally you will stop worrying about life. Naturally, you stop taking tensions. It will be taken care of. Then the phrase that I keep talking about, that the universe has your back, will
Back.
become your core reality.
I agree.
You will never be worried about anything. You just walk tall, walk straight. It's like you own this world. The world is there, and everything around you is there to take care of you. Now, that's the level of frequency. That's the level that you should reach, where you're not worried about your future. You know it's going to be taken care of. Doesn't have to be any kind of worry at all. Worrying is a choice you're making.
Correct.
Stress is a choice you're taking.
And I think
Yeah,
everyone likes to choose that because it's an easy thing to choose.
yeah, but
I
then
really
again we are talking about a different choice, right? So you guys, like there are almost 500 plus people right now. I'm talking to you guys that remember one thing: you have a choice how you want to see your life from today.
Yeah.
If you keep looking at drama trauma, realize one thing: oh, I am choosing drama trauma. I'm choosing to suffer. I'm choosing this. And now there are ways of changing it. So learn new things. So this is the time also to learn. Yeah. Number five, when I say change doesn't come just like that. It
Yeah.
comes with conscious efforts. Yeah. So if you have to pick up few books, read those. If you have to pick up few courses, pick them up. If you have to go to a healer, heal yourself, but take active steps to change your life.
But
Yeah,
they can
life
start
does
doing it today itself, right?
from today. Yeah, so today when we will do this, a little practice today, so it's an initiation for you to tap into that frequency. Yeah. And you know what? It's just an intention. Like people tell me, Ashish, can you teach me a ritual to connect with the angels? I said, what ritual, man? Just connect with them. Just talk to them. Just ask them. And they'll start showing the presence. Ritual is a very human
When
way of
Kunal
doing
tells
things.
me, I think you're asking a bit too much, right? Because I tell him what I'm asking. He said, so much you're asking. I said, I to ask Bindas. And whenever they want to give me, they'll give me.
Absolutely. Just keep asking, and believe me, it's amazing. So that's the whole thing. So when you wake up in the morning, be grateful. Thank you for the day that's going to come, and just ask for these vibrations to enter into your life, enter into your body. Yeah, and say, I'm ready to shift into a higher level. Your intention itself will help you. When you have an intention to shift into a higher vibration, then believe me, suddenly you're watching YouTube and pop, one suddenly your YouTube will play, and that might interest you, and that will be something that will align to what you're asking for, because what you're asking for is very important. So keep asking for more alignment, more ease, more joy. If you have to heal certain part of your body, ask for the healing to take place. Then suddenly the universe will connect you to the right person. Believe me, people who come to me, they have such amazing stories to say that, Ashish, I mean, it's magical how we have come to you. It's magical how your name has come to us. And I always hear the stories from clients. It's funny. So that's the whole
And
aspect.
there are
Like
no
even
coincidences, right? And
so,
that everything happens because it has to happen, right?
has to
There is nothing
happen.
like, oh, by chance this happened,
There's nothing. So you
right?
guys being here is not a coincidence. You guys listening to
Exactly.
something that I'm, saying is not a coincidence. So if you're worried about your job, that or what will happen, and if you're saying, if you hear me saying it's going to be taken care of, it's not me. You are meant to hear that. No, but if you don't really have that, like, oh, he's saying this for me, you just let it go. So everything that you hear is something that you're supposed to hear at that moment of time. So
Correct.
please get this, there are no coincidences. Don't dismiss the magical universe as coincidence, and believe me, it's amazing that every intention that you have will become your reality. Because
Absolutely.
from now, remember one thing, there's going to be high level of connection, a very high level of connection, high level telepathy is going to be strong. You're going to think about people and they will call
And
you.
they're
It's
going to
going to
call
be
you.
much more stronger than what it was now. It is now, but it's going to be much more stronger. And so imagine the power of mind that you have right now. So your mind can help you either create, or your mind can destroy you right now. That is the frequency we are actually going into, that power we have right now. Yeah. So deliberately, it's called as deliberate conscious creation. Yeah, and you can have an amazing 2021 and beyond from now itself. So it's
You
it's
moved
like
into
real.
5D.
Absolutely. So when people ask, what is this whole 5D space? The 5D space is basically when you are actually living your true life, when
Correct.
you're being yourself, when you don't care what people think about you, you got out of the judgments, you're living your life, you're doing what you want to do, and everything that you're asking for is there for you. Yeah, no worry, no stress, and no drama. Trauma is what the 5D is all about. It's more about love, it's more about humanity, it's more about
And
contribution, it's
also
more about seeing
realizing that
others.
everyone is one, right? The whole collective consciousness works towards
Correct,
reflecting that each soul recognizes that the other soul is a part of him or her.
correct.
Right? It's
What I
all
want,
about that
what I
oneness.
correct. What I want you all to do is, because I can't take too much of time to explain these things. Go and see the YouTube video of 100 monkey effect. The 100 monkey effect, yeah, and that is what it's going to work today. As I said, we are more than 500 people. It takes 100 people together with the same intention to bring a shift and change. So
I don't know if
today,
you guys can feel this palpitation in the vibration in the body, but I feel it constantly since we've gone live.
So today, when we are around 500 people coming up together, the intention that we put across is going to have a ripple effect over the planet. And that's why I wanted to do this live once, because all of you, we are going to work together for your benefit. And of course, the ripple effect is going to be there for others. Yeah. So, in some time, I'm going to take you through this alignment process where I want you to put out, in your mind, you don't have to really dive down there. What is it that you really want to change in your life? Yeah, if there is a situation that you would like to heal, like I can see somebody's really, really going through a very tough financial situation where they don't really have even a very small amount of money to do what they really want to do, but even that can be taken care of. Or somebody who's going through a really, like almost like a victim situation, but realize one thing: you have created the victim situation, you need to get out of that situation. But yes, today when you do the alignment, you can actually take the power to change that situation. So we all have certain things going in your life, but today take that alignment in that area of your life and ask the frequencies also to work with you. Now I'm going to invoke the power of course, the angels, the masters, the beings of light, and also the interdimensional being. Because in my healing work, I also invoke the interdimensional beings, and I can actually sense and see their energies flowing through. So that's what we are also going to do today. So it is a work that you have to realize that is real. Now, first thing is your intention is most important. If you're like, oh, let's try what this guy is doing and let's see whether it works, not going to work. Yeah, not going to work. Okay. You have to have, yes, I believe, because let me tell you one thing. I was removing a card, and the first card that came out was faith.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you have no faith in what you do, and for me, more important than faith is basically trust. My faith has actually
Absolutely.
gone over, and now the trust is there. If you don't trust in processes, it will never work for you. You can
I
dismiss it off.
completely agree.
Yeah, but if you trust in processes, you're the one who's going to benefit. So whatever I've said, if you actually start using it, if you start following it, you're the one who's going to benefit. Yeah,
Right?
and I'll be happy to see it benefiting for you. So today, let's, with the whole collective consciousness, let's work towards bringing this change first for self and also for others. I always say, if you want to change something outside, you have to change something within you.
Then
Also, I will highly recommend you guys start doing the practice of Ho'oponopono. It's there on my YouTube channel. There must be only like 20-25 videos on my channel, but that one video has really changed a lot of people's life. So start practicing that. Yeah, letting go, forgiving people, and it's all about you shifting stuff. Yeah, the when you enter into the fifth dimension, trust me, judgments hold no value at
yeah.
all. Yeah, when
I
people
think
say
that's the
something
hardest
to
to let
you,
go, right?
correct,
Ju-
because that
judgment is
judgment
because
actually locks us into the third dimension.
yes,
What do people say? What do
and
people feel
it's
about
inherent
me?
in
The
us because
validation.
we've grown up
Correct.
listening to people judge. We've grown up thinking it's okay to judge. It's such a natural thing. Like the first thing you meet people and be like, oh, you lost so much weight. Oh, there's always, and it's so easy to say that to people, you know.
Correct. Unfortunately, it's been entrained to us since we were child. I mean, in
Correct.
school, there was this really,
Okay, 1 second, guys. I know a lot of people have asked to save this video. We are not saving this video. Ashish already put it up. So did I. That we're not saving this video. Sorry, go ahead. Because so many people have asked me, save it, save it.
okay, now a lot of people have messaged me separately requesting for that. So I have no idea. Can we do it? I have no idea. Can you save the video?
I can. I
Okay,
can
so
put it on
hold on.
YouTube.
Hold on, let me get the guidance. I will tell you what
Okay.
to do. Okay, so because you know what, yes, I received a lot of messages because a, they are not on Insta. Second, the time was not working for them. They are out of a different time zone completely. So I get that, but you know what, any which ways, right now that's not my focus. My focus is on all those people who have come here
No,
and
but you'll
you
have
know
to tell me if I have to, because as soon as it ended, there's only a 1 second option for me to save or not save. So, but before we end the session,
okay,
tell me.
okay, we'll get that, no worries with that. Okay, so no, what I want you guys to realize is basically, what was I saying? I lose my flow when I start talking
No,
something
you were
else.
talking about how we have to let go of judgment, regret, anger,
So
all of
yeah, so please understand, we have been trained to think the way we think.
yeah.
Okay, like there is this, I don't know. When I was in school, I definitely had that chapter where there are these pictures, and there is this picture of this fair, beautiful blonde lady, and there's this picture of an Indian woman, and there's written pretty and ugly. I mean, what the fuck was that? I mean, from childhood, you've been taught what is pretty, what is ugly. If a good
Yeah.
looking girl is there, it's pretty. Can you believe? I mean, that's been entrained from childhood. Dark is this, fair is this. So
Yes.
we as children, we have been programmed for so many judgments that we worry about ourselves, how other people will judge. And judgment is one of the biggest thing that keeps us looped up into the third dimension. If you get out of that, trust me, there's so much ease that comes in your life. So this
Agreed.
is where, the funniest thing is, I read this post, which is basically by the age of 20, you're worried what people think about you. By the age of 40, it doesn't matter what people think about you. By the age of 60, you realize they were not even thinking about you. I laughed so much. I said, now we don't have to
No,
wait
no,
till
people
60 to
think.
think like that.
People think.
Yeah. No, I'm saying you don't have to wait till 60 also because it doesn't matter what people think.
Correct.
Right?
People
And
think
we
but shouldn't
think,
matter.
but I'll tell you what, a lot of people think that people think about us, but they're not even thinking. They will know what will people say.
Say.
Most of the time, they're so busy in their own world, they're not even thinking about you. But we are very worried what will people think.
No, no, I know lots of aunties who are thinking of a lot of people.
So that's the thing. All right. So we really don't have to worry about what people think. You just be yourself. Be you, man.
I'm
That's
sure
what
when
is
you,
required.
I am 40, so 60 is not too far. But I'm sure when you started doing the lives or talking about your journey, there are a lot of people who came and say made like your close friends who made fun of it or said, "What rubbish is this?" And did that happen to you?
That was only initially when I started my journey, where people said that, oh, what is he getting into? And especially when I left my whole medical
So
aspect and I
people are
got
very
into the.
concerned about what others are doing.
But that's how the society works. But that is
Correct.
what we call as three dimension. This is
Exactly.
what 3D is about. The three dimension locks into all these judgments and other what people say and all of those things. You have to go beyond that, and that is what is going to help you today. Yeah, from
And the
today
universe is giving us a
onwards.
great chance to do that,
It
right?
is, yeah. So it's going to change you as the being that you are. Yeah. It's about please, everybody's upgrading their phones and buying new iPhones every year and all of that. I'm like, it's time to upgrade your own self. It's time to
Agreed.
upgrade your life. And then why not have the best version of your life?
Correct.
Yeah. Have the best version of your life, the best version of yourself. And you have to get over all this really, really petty things that people really worry about. Honestly, I'm telling you, I might sound when I say this that money actually is such a petty thing that people worry about. But the whole world works around that aspect.
Because
But
people are
we,
worrying
we,
about.
we make it so significant. That's why it becomes the most hardest thing. Yeah. And that's why when you make it insignificant, it just comes to you. Anything that you make insignificant just comes to you. Anything you make significant, then it becomes difficult. Are you
Correct.
getting it? So these are the things
Absolutely.
that we can really work on. So please, I mean, what area of your life you want to change is completely up to you. Yeah. I am saying don't run behind money. Don't work for money because that will anyway, it's a byproduct. It's going to be the easiest thing. So I mean, those people who have had a hard 2020 when it comes to finances, trust me, if you actually take the right steps, it would be an easy choice for you. Yeah. But
Correct.
everything is about you choosing. You have to
Choosing.
get over this thing that, I have to struggle, the karma theory, and understand one thing. Yes, the universe is all about actions and reactions. It's there. What you send out is what you get. Because when you're talking about gratitude and universe show me the magic, the universe is going to show you the magic. So
Absolutely.
every action that you do, so if you're thinking about somebody negatively, if you're sending a negative thought towards them, it's an energy imprint. You have sent it in the universe, and whatever you send will come back to you.
Correct.
It will come back to you through somebody else. Are you getting it? So for me, that is karma.
And the age that we are in doesn't even wait for our next life to be born and to get back.
Absolutely.
It's immediate.
Absolutely. So this is where, you can actually shift and change right now, and you don't have to get stuck in this whole karma theory and lives after lives after life. You don't have to. Are you getting
Correct.
it? Yeah, it's a choice. This could be your last life if you choose to, and then you can come back if you want to. It's everything is a choice. Like today, I heard on YouTube an astrologer said, and he was like really, really putting such hard, thought forms in people that God has given you this life. He's made you suffer, then you have to. I'm like, no, nobody's sitting and doing that. You have chosen at a soul level before you take this birth. You chose everything. You chose
Correct.
your parents, you chose the experiences that you're going to go through, you chose the friends, you chose your enemies, and all of that you chose.
But you,
But the
but
good,
right now
but
you
good,
also have free will, right, to choose not
that's what
to.
I'm trying to say. But right now, you have to realize you still have a choice to make a different choice. So
Correct.
just because you have suffered till now, you don't have to suffer forever. Are you
Someone's
getting it?
asking how. Make a
By
different
making a
choice.
different choice. We just said the same thing, yeah? So right now, ask, okay, what other choice can I make? Okay, universe, what will it take for me to have an easier life? Just start asking questions. Access teaches you one thing, access consciousness. I'm a facilitator of the same for those who don't know. It teaches you one thing, you can change every situation in your life. First, you have to make the choice. And the second
Yeah.
thing is ask a question. What do I do to change it? How can I change this? Just by asking a question, you're creating a different
Correct.
reality. Yeah, but you can't keep saying, oh, this is happening to me. So there's a lot of things you need to learn to change, getting over your stories and not repeating your stories and all of those things. But first, remember one thing. First, be grateful that right now, wherever you are, whatever situation you are in life, is not going to be forever. It will
Yeah.
change for the better. Yeah, even if you have that, that itself is good news for you. Are you getting it?
Absolutely.
So, all right. So
And it's
everybody is
magical,
ready for
right? So to know
it's
that it's
magic.
gonna only get better, right?
Absolutely. I mean, that is what I mean, those people who follow me, they would keep seeing my stories will be all around magic. I mean, the reason why I keep saying that it's reiterating to them every single day that magic exists.
Exists.
Because I live a magical life. I see magic in every single thing that I do and say. I mean, it's magic for me. Trust me, like today, one of my client came and I was just thinking about angels, and suddenly she got me a bag of chocolates which is full of butterflies. I'm like, okay, there you go. I mean, every single yesterday I decided not to do anything but just keep watching TV. I didn't get out of bed, but every time I'll pick up the phone, it was 111, 222, 333, 444, to that extent that Rahul was asking, are you timing this? That is what the one question he asked me every single time. He like, you're a cuckoo, no? I'm like, yeah, I'm cuckoo only. But it's funny when he says all this thing because for him it's unbelievable. It's
So Kunal
unbelievable.
today, same thing in the morning. He asked me. He's reading this book. Okay,
Uh,
it's called Joy of Compounding. So he asked me,
okay.
this book is asking a question. How do you know you're lucky? So how do you
Hmm.
create your luck? No, the question was how do you create luck? So he asked me. He said, Acha, you keep saying now that if I want, how do you create luck? I said, because I know I'm lucky. He said, how did you know you read the page? I said, how am I going to read the page?
So yeah. So I
Because
I
I think
thought
it's such
I'm a
a difficult concept for people to accept, right? That they can create their luck, they can change their
absolutely.
life, they can
So
create their own destiny.
correct. So I only have one answer for people. There's nothing called as luck. Everything is a choice. Yeah. So
Correct?
you can make a choice to be lucky every single moment of your life. Yeah.
Absolutely.
And you'll be surprised when I talk to people. It takes me 5 minutes to understand what state of consciousness they're operating out of. Just 5 minutes. From what they say, what they speak,
When you
you just
met me
come to know.
also, right now, when we met last week, right?
Yeah, yeah. So basically, it's basically what they say, right? There's so much of limitations that people operate. But of course, I don't judge them, but I just realize that they are not aware of it. That's what is
Yeah.
unawareness, no? Yeah, that is what. And once you start becoming aware, you actually see life from a complete different perspective, and it's so
Correct.
amazing. It's so amazing. Life is, believe me, so magical. And I wish each and every somebody's written God's favorite child. Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. Each person should know that you are God's favorite child, and all of those things. All right. Okay, so should we quickly start?
We should.
Okay. All right. So what we're going to do is Yes, the first thing, I want you to be curious. I want to be happy. I want you to be grateful that we all are together embodying these amazing frequencies. Now, frequencies that you may not be able to feel, or you may be able to feel. Each person is different. But if you're putting that intention that, yes, I'm ready to take in this frequency. Yes, I'm ready to change my life. Yes, I'm ready to awaken myself. Yes, I'm ready to see my life from a higher perspective. I'm ready to change my life for the better self. When you're putting out these intentions, that's all that you have to do. Yeah. You don't really need to know anything, because when you ask for something, you will get it. So, are you all ready to witness the magic that the universe can actually bring in your life? I'm
Yes.
assuming you're saying yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Are you willing to see magic every day in your life? Are you willing to witness what miracles these other beings, your higher angels, your powerful angels, the light beings of light, your ascended masters, and all the interdimensional beings that are there who are coming forward to bring changes in your life? Are you willing to receive their help? Yeah.
Yes.
So when you say a yes, you're actually aligning to that. Now, what I want you to do is, let's go through a beautiful journey, a small little journey. Okay, I want you to first take a nice deep breath in and breathe out through your mouth and relax. One more deep breath in, breathe out and relax. One more deep breath in, breathe out and relax. I want you to put out an intention that you are ready to align to the Christ consciousness, the highest level of consciousness that is there on the planet Earth, to help you upgrade yourself, to move from the third dimension to the fifth dimension, so that you can overcome the limitations of the third dimension. You can actually tap into the infinite potential that you have and truly be the infinite being that you are. Now, acknowledging that, this is where I want you to use your imagination, because imagination is the source of creation. I want you to imagine this powerful rays of light entering into your crown chakra through your head, into your auric system. Now, you may feel it, you may sense it, you can see it. If you want, you can give it a color. And those who cannot do none of it, just be with me. I'm working with each and every person who's here, because remember one thing, it's all about intention. And with so many light workers together today, it's for each other. Now, I want you to imagine this moving slowly down your body, through your whole body, and also entering into your legs. You'll feel the tingling sensation on your thighs, your knees, your calf, and your feet. Now, as this light is filling up, I want you to see, for those who understand my language, you see it filling up in your root chakra, aligning the frequencies and letting go of all the worries that you have about your finances, about your security, about your stability, whether it's the stability of job, whether it's the stability that you require in your life. Know that everything that you're asking for is coming to you. You just have to have the trust and faith. Let go of all the worries of money. Let go of all the worries that you have, the materialistic worries that you have. The house that you're asking for is going to come to you, but you have to have the trust that it's coming to you. The job that you're looking for is yours. Just know it. When your root chakra is hyperactive, that is where you have issues even with your legs, your arthritis, your knee issues, your leg issues, your spinal issues. Let go of everything that you're holding on, the burdens that you're carrying, the fears that is stored down there. And how do you let go? It's just an intention. You can imagine stuff coming out of your body as light, as darkness, vibrations, and slowly, slowly moving up towards your sacral And everywhere you feel lack and you're not enjoying your life, the luxury of life, the pleasures of life, see it aligning, balancing, so that you can enjoy the fineries, the smells, the perfumes, the touch, the feel, the sexuality, the sensuality, balancing of those. And as we move up, aligning the planetary frequencies, aligning your solar plexus, it's just a little above your navel, below your ribs, and owning that power. Take back your power. Everywhere you made yourself powerless, you've controlled people or you've let other people control you. Take back those energies. You're not a victim anymore. You're not a victim of finances. You are making the choice. If it is a relationship that you need to step up or step out, this is the time to do that. If people do not value you, it's you who's letting them do that to you. Start valuing yourself. Start honoring yourself. And you're the ones who have to teach people how to treat you. Take that power. And for those, I hear you cannot say a no. You have to be willing to say a no. I'm sorry, this doesn't work for me. I'm not going to do this anymore. Take that power. You have to make the choice. I feel a lot of you going through this right now. It's a choice you have to make. Ask your angels, ask those powerful angels to assist you in these situations where you feel really, really powerless. I feel a lot of people are in these situations right now. Make the choice to change, please. You're not powerless at all. Take a deep breath in and let go of it right now. Everywhere you made yourself powerless, let go of that. Everywhere you have let people walk over you, people have taken advantage of you, let go of that. And say, I reclaim my power. Let this frequency keep flowing through your head into now your heart area. Now I want you to open up your heart and I want you to let go of all the upset. I want you to let go of all the hurt, all the anger. Now think of things that you had in your mind as a regret, things that you regret even till now, something that you have done years back, something that you have said to somebody and you're still holding on, or the regret that you didn't make that choice, a choice that you made and you're still regretting for that. But remember one thing, every choice you made that time, you thought that was the best choice for you. You didn't know anything better. And now that there's no value for holding on to the regret. So I ask you, dear ones, is there anything that you can do right now? Can you go back into the past and make a different choice? No, right? So let go. Let go of that regret. Let go of the guilt. It's holding you down. There are a lot of people who have done a lot of mistakes in the past, knowingly, unknowingly, but there's no point of holding that to now. So if you know someone that you want to say sorry to, say it in your mind right now. And if you want to forgive someone, that's the highest level of forgiveness and freedom that you can achieve. Forgive that person for doing what they did or ask for forgiveness. Forgiving someone, asking for forgiveness is nothing but setting yourself free. It's releasing the heaviness that you're holding in your heart. My heart is so heavy right now, I can feel it. Just let go of it. Because when your heart chakra opens up, you're going to receive everything from the universe. And as I speak, I'm being drawn towards your throat. And here, take back the power to speak up everywhere you're stopped yourself from speaking, everywhere you're not able to speak. It's time to voice yourself out. 2021, it's to hear your voice so that you don't have to suffer with thyroid anymore. You don't have to suffer with throat issues anymore. Take back the power and ask Archangel Michael to heal your throat area. And as you're doing it, I can see a lot of green light also coming into the heart area while the throat is being healed, because your heart and your throat is also connected. Start speaking what's there in your heart. And it's okay, but you have the right to speak. And as we move ahead, let's go up towards your third eye, between your eyebrows. Fill those frequencies there because you can see life from a different perspective. Your visions get clear, not only for seeing the future, but knowing what's true for you. You'll be able to see people for who they are. You'll be able to see what normal people cannot see beyond this reality. Ask for more insights to come in your dreams. Your dream work will improve. For those who are working as healers, you will know your intuitions are getting more and more stronger. And even if you're not a healer, start trusting your gut, start trusting your awareness more now. Start following your gut more than your mind. And as we move ahead towards the crown, but I want you to see a lot of light being infused in your brain, your mind. Because this is a time when you're going to let go of the old patterns, the old way of thinking, which keeps you limited, which keeps you stuck. The small thinking that you have, the narrow thinking that you have, the fear-based thinking that you have, I want you to let go of that right now. And put that intention, from today, I open up myself for a different way of thinking, for a different way of perspective. I would like to see things from a different perspective. And I'm ready for change. Ready to see a change in my life and also in others. And as you open up the crown area to the cosmic consciousness, letting go of everything that holds you down, ready to unite, align with the universal energies, you're going to say yes to aligning to the other frequencies and letting them assist you in your day-to-day life too. Help you with your way of life, your decisions, the changes that will come through. But all you have to be is grateful and be open. Be open for change, and the change is yours. I want you to take this a moment to feel those vibrations in each and every part of your body. And this is just not a one-time process. You have opened up yourself, and now every single day you can work with these vibrations, and it will going to help you move faster and faster. What it would take 5 years, 10 years, or 20 years to achieve, you will achieve 5 months, 1 year, 2 years' time. That's the speed of space that you're going to operate out of from today. The change is big, the change is huge, and as much as you're willing to see that in your life. So do not worry because you've been taken care of. You have assistants with you all the time. Just be grateful for their presence and keep asking them to be there. And with that, I want you to do one last thing. Ask for a greater contribution that you can be for this world. Who else can you contribute to? Who else can you make somebody's life easy? And let's ask collectively a better place to live and consciousness to come on planet. Let this Christ consciousness touch every heart, every mind, every soul that is there. And let each person evolve faster so that we all can see a beautiful place to live in. And that is what the new earth is all about. A happier place and a much better place with conscious people. With that, give gratitude for everything that you have received now and you'll keep receiving. And once you're ready, come back in the here and now and open your eyes. Okay,
Oh man,
you good?
my body is vibrating.
Okay. Okay. What I want everybody to do, you might think, oh, what was this process? Or you might really acknowledge the process. It doesn't matter. Keep having a lot of water. Keep having a lot of water. Water is a conduct of energy. You're going to shift a lot. I see a lot of people will also throw a lot of emotions out from today, tomorrow. Okay, some people, sorry to say, may have motions. Some people will keep frequently urinating. They'll keep going to the loo a lot. Okay, but drink a lot of water, because what you're doing is you're releasing. But one thing I would say is, ask for ease, ask for ease, ask for ease. You don't have to suffer. Please, you don't have to get sick, okay? It's festive time. Have fun. It's Christmas time. But yes, ask for ease and you will see ease in your life every day. And my hands are still vibrating. So, yeah, all those people who are there, yeah, that my intention is whatever you've asked for, you will get that change. Just have trust and faith. Faith is very, very important. And with a lot of humbleness, I say, I'm just a medium here, and the frequencies are working through me. Alignment is happening through me, nothing about me, but you are receiving it because you've asked for it. So, yes, please remember everything that you ask for, you are going to get it. Yeah, just have the trust and faith. And just remember one thing, it's a magical universe that we live in. Yeah, so just keep going from there.
Wow, I'm speechless for a change.
Awesome. All right. Okay. So I'm okay. I think a lot of people missed this because as we were talking, I could see a lot of WhatsApp messages. A lot of people were not able to log in and they were sending a lot of angry faces. And I'm like, no, you can't be angry. They're not towards me or you. Obviously, they were angry and upset that they couldn't join at the same time. So I leave it up to you. If you wanna save it, do
I
it. I
think
mean,
I think we should save it because I think it's
choice is yours.
amazing. I think even there's so many things that when when you go back and listen to it, every time you take
Yeah.
something new from the
Yeah.
conversation.
It's
And
like my classes. Every time they keep listening
correct.
to the class, there's
I
always
was
a
just gonna
change.
say that every time I
Okay.
listen to the class, it's something new that I learn or realize I didn't listen to it or imbibe, or I didn't absorb it before, which I can do now. And I think I
Sure.
would really like to save this. I was gonna
Okay.
actually.
Okay, so when you save
Okay.
this video, for all those who are listening, okay, what you can do is you can always go to the last part that we did, yeah, and for a few days you can just listen to it again. And if you can't, obviously you might not have the time to watch the whole 1.5 hour every time, but every time just listen to the last part and just receive it, receive it. It's because frequency is timeless. What we do is obviously timeless. Time is just this reality. There's only energy and space and
Yes.
consciousness, right? So listen to it, bring your changes, and I'm sure there will be a lot of changes that you will see. And I know your life is going to be amazing, and I'm very, very excited about it. Yeah. So those who have asked for healing, especially there was someone who was asking for a healing for the heart, know that it's there. Yeah. Just release the stuff that you're holding on to, and actually talk to your heart also and say, you know what, you're okay. Yeah, you're doing well, and ask for the heart to repair itself completely, and you'll be 100% fine. So you will be absolutely fine. So I don't know who that person is, but I've constantly been getting this message in my head: say this, say this, say this. So whoever it is will get the message. So yeah, I mean that's the little message that I had in the last. All right, before we go, let me see something if we can bring up. And
Everyone is speechless.
before we close, happy new year to each one of you. And I am super excited because the year is going to be really, really amazing. On 12th, and 31st night at 12 o'clock, of course, when you hug everybody, kiss everybody, wish everybody. But you know what? at that moment of silence, just say thank you, universe, for being there for me and making this year is going to be amazing. Please put that intention, because every new year, brings a lot of new energy and new frequency. And yeah, and
So
those
that
who
was
are
the
going to be
magic
there.
that was the magic trick you were going to give us.
No, no. Was there a magic trick also? Fuck,
Yes.
see what just jumped out. Okay.
Sure.
Signs and reminders. So from today, you are going to see a lot of signs and reminders again and again. So like how I keep
But I'm
putting
the
up
biggest
on,
reminder. You told us I'm going to give you a magic trick on at 31st December, 12 o'clock to do.
it's okay. It's almost 1.5 hour that I've been speaking. Okay, so
But
you better watch my story on 31st in the morning. I'll put it down. So if you want to know the magic trick, follow me on 31st
follow.
night. If not all the time. I don't care if people follow me or not. But yeah, on 31st, I'll put in the morning what to do it and see. It's funny. Somebody says, "Can you give us some tricks?" And I run a business. Can you do something like the lemon thing? I said, "Listen, stop coming to me from tricks and treats now. Do some work yourself
This
also."
lemon thing though has reached every country in the world. People are
Yeah, but
messaging
I'm
my
glad.
fridge is built in.
Learning experiences, a lot of people are going to get amazing learning experiences, and you will learn with ease. This is going to be a powerful year. I'm telling you, I am so excited that all second time magic, the signs and reminders, second time the same card. So it's on our faces now again and again and again. And listen to yourself, listen
Yeah.
deeply. This little meditation that I did, yeah, connect with yourself, follow your intuitions, follow your gut, and see the magic that will take place. All right?
I need to
Okay,
thank
guys.
you from everyone, from all the 500 odd people that have come in. I think we all need to thank you for doing this.
No, no,
It's amazing.
I'm glad that people came, people took out that time. A lot of people messaged me that I'm going to take half day and I'm going to come early, and I'm all of those things. And I feel right now sorry for those who couldn't join in. And yeah, so I think the video will make a difference to them. So thank you again, and yeah, and thank you for the love that you guys showered on me, and so much that you all give me unconditionally. And yeah, so I'm so grateful, and it's fun. And I will see you guys next year very soon. Yeah. So if you guys are going to come on the Zoom, then I can actually see your faces also for a
Yes.
change.
Please.
uh, you know
Okay. Guys, please message him directly for Zoom class. I will
Vaibu is
also
not
go.
a coordinator. She will definitely be there, but I will have a coordinator because I won't be able to manage so many people. Whenever I put out the invite, who to get in touch and the amount, everything would be there. But realize one
Yes.
thing, it's going to be magical, yeah. And I would love to see you guys. So that's going to be one thing that Zoom allows. So the video, so
I'm
it's
sure
going to be
all
fun.
of us are going to be there. There's no
Yeah.
question in
Again,
anyone's mind.
three. Three is a magical day. January 3rd is
And
going to be
3121.
magical. Absolutely. So you see, it's going to be amazing, and we'll start the magic from New Year's itself. So have fun, whatever, how many days are remaining, and have a fabulous time. And I'll see you guys soon. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ashish, for doing this. Happy December,
No,
Happy New Year,
thank
and
you.
we love you. And we
All
can't wait
right.
for 3rd Jan. And as soon as you post it, I will reshare it so
Sure.
that everyone knows when it's
Sure.
happening.
All right. See you then.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. I love
Bye.
you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Love you
Thank you
too.
guys
Bye.
so much
See
for
you
logging
guys.
in. I
Bye.
hope you loved this as much as I did, and I hope it was as magical as you hoped it was.
Oh, there's a
Thank you
lot
so
of
much. Have
magic.
a great night.
See you. Bye. Bye. See ya.
Hey guys, thank you for logging into Live with Vi. Subscribe to see more videos.